Fast-moving train Wednesday, splitting trees in half, ripping roofs off hotels, and turning small cars into boats before sweeping into Georgia as a still powerful storm that flooded roadways and sent residents running for higher ground. Thomas fled with her family and some friends to a motel, thinking it would be safer than riding out the storm at home. But as Idalia's eye passed over about 8:30 a.m., a loud whistling noise pierced the air, and the high winds ripped the building's roof off, sending debris down on her pregnant daughter, who was lying in bed. Fortunately, she was not injured. After coming ashore, Idalia made landfall near Keaton Beach at 7:45 a.m. as a high-end Category 3 hurricane with maximum sustained winds near 125 miles per hour, 205 kilometers per hour. It had weakened to a tropical storm with winds of 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour by Wednesday afternoon. As the eye moved inland, high winds shredded signs, blew off roofs, sent sheet metal flying, and snapped tall trees. But as of midday Wednesday, there were no confirmed deaths in Florida, although fatal traffic accidents in 2 counties may end up being storm-related. Florida Gov. Ron DeSantis said. Unlike last year's Hurricane Ian, which hit the heavily populated Fort Myers area, leaving 149 dead in the state, Idalia blew into a very lightly populated area known as Florida's Nature Coast, one of the state's most rural regions that lies far from crowded metropolises or busy tourist areas, and features millions of acres of undeveloped land. That doesn't mean that it didn't do major damage. Rushing water covered streets near the coast, unmoored small boats, and nearly 500,000 customers in Florida and Georgia lost power. In Perry, the wind blew out store windows, tore siding off buildings, and overturned a gas station canopy. Heavy rains partially flooded Interstate 275 in Tampa and toppled power lines onto the northbound side of Interstate 75 just south of Valdosta, Georgia. Storm surge could rise as high as 16 feet, 4.9 meters, in some places. Some counties implemented curfews to keep residents off roads. Less than 20 miles, 32 kilometers, south of where Idalia made landfall, businesses, boat docks, and homes in Steinhatchee, Florida, were swallowed up by water surging in from Deadman's Bay.
Two tornadoes.
Police officers blocked traffic into the coastal community of more than 500 residents, known for fishing and foresting industries. State officials, 5,500 National Guardsmen and rescue crews were in search and recovery mode, inspecting bridges, clearing toppled trees, and looking for anyone